Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the solution of example 1 from inverse trigonometric function. Find the principal value of sine inverse of 1 by root 2. If you are new, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button and share it to your friends. Come on. Let sine inverse of 1 by root 2 is equal to y. Then taking sine to the opposite, sine y is equal to 1 by root 2. Now this is the principal value table. Now remember this inverse trigonometric principal value table by heart. We know that for sine inverse the range of principal value branch from this table is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, and sine pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2 as per the trigonometric table. And therefore the principal value of sine inverse of 1 by root 2 is pi by 4. So this inverse trigonometric function, to solve the problems in this we need to know the trigonometric table also. I will join the video link in the description so that you can watch that, how to memorize the trigonometric table by heart. So this is the solution for the example. So in next video we'll see the another problems that is present in inverse trigonometric function. Thank you friends. If you have any doubts, comment down in the comment section and we'll meet in the new video.